Hello and welcome. Disney is making a change I need to tell you about. I'm still suffering from my cold, but I'm also suffering from FOMO, fear of missing out. Let's go inside and I'll tell you all about it. And if you have a fear of missing out on some theme park videos, then hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another theme park video is ready for you to view. It is such a beautiful day. I hate it when the day doesn't match how I feel. I'm feeling under the weather, so it should be like a gray, cloudy day, but no, it is beautiful. Temperature is beautiful, not a cloud in the sky, such a pretty blue sky. I just wish I felt beautiful. The thing is, when you have a YouTube channel and you want it to be successful, you really don't get sick days. You gotta keep that YouTube algorithm happy and keep posting that content. And unfortunately for me, I did take a day off earlier in the week. Nick and I went to the art festival at EPCOT, and I said, let's go without the camera. I'll film it later on, but now I'm regretting because now I don't have a sick day. The art festival is our favorite, so we kind of want to experience on our own, but I promise I will go back and film a little bit over there. Now, about this FOMO, this fear of missing out that I'm trying to avoid. Many of you know, what I like to do is I like to play on the My Disney Experience app and try to get the cool Fast Pass. So I would say the cool Fast Pass for Magic Kingdom would be the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, but that is so hard to get. Epcot, I'm not sure, maybe Frozen. It's really not something I would go for, but Frozen over there currently. But I think once the Guardians of the Galaxy indoor roller coaster is ready, that will be the #1 Fast Pass to get over there. And then for Animal Kingdom, of course, it's going to be Pandora Flight of Passage. But over here at Hollywood Studios, it's Slinky Dog Dash. And I did get a Fast Pass for Slinky Dog Dash, so that's my fear of missing out. I didn't want to miss out on that Fast Pass, so I had to come today for that. In addition, I have to make a video for YouTube to keep it happy. Hop on Slinky Dog Dash right now. I'm going to do a POV, but I have a question for you guys. I don't know how I'm going to do it when I edit it. You guys like the POVs without music, with natural sound? I might do a combination like for this POV, but what do you prefer, with music or natural sound? A 110-minute standby wait, but we are going to Fast Pass. See why I wanted to use it? Made it with 15 minutes to spare. It's the wildest ride in the backyard. Oh, yeah. So don't forget, comment below, do you like it with music or with the natural sounds? And now into Galaxy's Edge, so I can tell you about the change Disney is making on February 19th and beyond. Oh yeah, before we get to the news, you may be wondering where Nikki is. How come she's not doing most of the talking for me today? Well, she threw her back out earlier in the week. Now this is the girl who does all the crazy stunts, rock climbing, fear factor, rappelling, and she hurt her back cleaning a house, and like pretty badly, so she's off of duty right now. I'm making her stay home and rest. As I'm here the last week of January, you cannot get a fast pass for the Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. However, starting on February 19th, you will be able to book fast passes for Smuggler's Run. I mean, actually, you can go on the My Disney app right now and book for it. So if I wanted to book for the 19th or after, I could. But here's how they're going to do it. There's going to be 2 rides in Tier 1. It'll be Smuggler's Run and Slinky Dog Dash. So if you book Slinky Dog Dash, you would not be able to get a fast pass for Smuggler's Run and vice versa. But how long is that going to last? Because come March 4th, Mickey's and Minnie's Runaway Railway will be opening. You know what I like about Galaxy's Edge is the soundscaping. So many different types of space vehicles landing or taking off or flying by. It sounds really cool in here. I mean, better than what I sound today for sure. The time period that Star Wars Land is set in is in between The Last Jedi and The Rise of Skywalker. So that's why you see the characters walking around, Rey, Kylo Ren, Chewbacca, R2-D2, and I think 3PO is going to start having a walk around as well. But is there room for the Mandalorian and the Child? And honestly, I don't think so, because this is set in a very specific time frame. Whereas like the Mandalorian and Yoda Baby, that is set like right after episode 6. So I don't think that should come here to Galaxy's Edge, but perhaps it should go to Launch Bay. Maybe the Mandalorian and Yoda Baby should have a meet and greet over there. Currently, the Star Wars Launch Bay meet and greets include Chewbacca, Darth Vader, and BB-8. So why not a Mandalorian and Yoda Baby meet and greet, huh? Who wants that? We want Yoda Baby.
You watch your language. I'm going to encrypt this. Join me. It is your destiny.
As I said earlier, Mickey's and Minnie's Runaway Railway opening, I believe, on March 4th. Now, I'm not sure what they're going to do with this. I tend to believe it will be a boarding pass system. That makes sense, right? You have to have a boarding pass to get on the train. That makes sense, but I'm not exactly sure. Though I am pretty sure it will not open with a fast pass available for it. But what are they going to do when it does open? Are they going to change the tiers? I would think eventually Rise of the Resistance will open. It will have a fast pass. And I think the tier 1 would be Rise of the Resistance and Slinky Dog Dash. Smuggler's Run would no longer be a tier 1. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. I don't know where they would place this ride, as a tier 1 or not. It's going to be trackless like Rise of the Resistance, so it will have some breakdowns in the beginning till they get it all set. I'm just not sure if this is really a tier 1 type of ride. We'll have to see when it opens and how popular it is. We'll just have to stay tuned to figure all that out. And as far as I'm concerned, Hollywood Studios will not be complete until the replacement for the Great Movie Ride is complete. Well, I'm just noticing this. There used to be a cool sign here. Where'd it go? What happened to it? I used to do intros and outros by this sign, and now it's gone. I have to go find another place. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for today. Probably a shorter video than what I'm used to making, but I need to go home, I need to get healthy. We have a couple of exciting things coming up in the next week or two. Disney has invited me to a media event, Disney Villains After Dark, and then Busch Gardens has also invited me for a media preview, a hard hat preview of their latest coaster that will be ready later in the year. So I want to be healthy for those 2 media events. And as always, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching RixFlix, and now it's time to relax.